Hey guys, it's me Jesse here. Welcome back to Caden E. Brown. Yeah, you subscribed to me and I got my first bobblehead. Yeah, it's a cat. It's a Siamese cat. I like Siamese cat. So yeah, this rocket. My name is Moonlight and I just love you guys. So let's get to the series. This first bobblehead series. You wondering why there's a Beanie Boo series? Because my Beanie Boos got sick, so yeah, I did want to because I want to sloppy them, so yeah. I just spilled it. It tastes like feet. Blech! I need to go to the bathroom. Don't record. Okay. Troy? What do you mean, Troy? Oh, well, let's get back to the video. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Jerry? You just broke up with me? It's just my physical boyfriend. The background is so awkward. So yeah, I'll be back, okay? Okay, I'm back, guys. I just got my. Oh my gosh. My Beanie Boos got sick. They were just lazy. So yeah.
What?
Hello. Okay. Yeah, I'm using my phone. Okay. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just don't worry about you. What happened about your nose? Okay, I'm not using you. Oh, hello there. It's me. Okay, yeah. Just worry about this. Okay. Wait. No. That's... Oh my god. I can't... Don't get out of my face! But why? I said get out of my face. I just happened to leave you. This is my color. My first color. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. I'm gonna make another video today about kid abuse. So bye. Have a fun old day. I'm so excited. Bye.